All right, let's talk about something that's going to affect a lot of hams over the next few months. Yaesu prices are going up. I received an email this morning from Gigaparts, and it confirms what many of us have been expecting after recent changes across the country. This video is not hype, it's not fear mongering, it's a clear breakdown of what's happening, what it actually means for you, and how to navigate it smartly. Let's get started. Hello there. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Before we dig in, a quick transparency note. Gigaparts shared this information directly with me, and they continue to be one of the most reliable dealers in the hobby when it comes to clear communication and standing behind the amateur radio community. If you're already considering a purchase, I'll explain in a bit why keeping an eye on current Gigaparts inventory may matter more than usual right now. So here's what's confirmed. Yaesu has issued an official sales bulletin announcing a wholesale price increase across most of their North American product lineup. The reasons cited include recent tariff changes, increased manufacturing cost, higher logistics and operational expenses. The new pricing takes effect on March 1st, 2026. And this part is important. This date applies to dealer cost, not necessarily the retail price you see on day one. Dealers will receive a confidential price list separately. So at the moment, exact dollar increases aren't public. But the key point is this. Any Yaesu inventory ordered after March 1st will cost dealers more. Now, let's clear up some confusion right away. This does not mean prices jump across the board on March 1st. Dealers suddenly flip price tags overnight. Doesn't mean any of this. The used market inventory spikes. None of this, we don't believe. That's not what's going to happen on March 1st. Most dealers, include Gigaparts, already have inventory purchased at pre-increase pricing. As long as that inventory exists, current prices can remain stable. Here's how this usually unfolds. Dealers will likely stock up now at the old wholesale price. They'll sell through their existing inventory at current pricing. Gradually adjust prices as stock is depleted. For consumers, that means you may not see immediate increases. You'll likely see increases 30 to 90 days out. Summer pricing will probably be higher than it is today. There's also a wild card worth mentioning. If Yaesu follows ICOM's path and introduces a minimum retail price program, pricing could become more rigid and increases could appear faster. At this point, there's no confirmation from Yaesu for plans to do that, but that is something worth watching. Now, another factor here is rebates. Yaesu's instant rebates expired on January 31st. Because of that, some radios already about $100 higher than they were just weeks ago. Those rebates could return. If they do, they may temporarily offset some increases. But rebates don't change the underlying cost structure. Once dealer inventory turns over, higher prices are hard to avoid. Now, here's where Gigaparts really matters. Right now, inventory purchased before March 1st is the best opportunity for consumers to have to lock in the current pricing. Gigaparts is known for deep inventory, transparent pricing, standing behind their customers, and if you're already planning to buy a new Yaesu radio, waiting does not increase the odds for a better price at this point. It usually does in opposite situations like this. This isn't about panic buying. It's timing. So here's what I'd do. My honest take, if you if you are already shopping, have been sitting on the fence on making a purchase, and know a Yaesu rig is in your future, then buying sooner rather than later makes sense. If you already have what you need, that's great. If not, watch inventory, watch rebates, and understand that today's price is likely not tomorrow's price. So as you can see down below, I have a partnership with Gigaparts, and I appreciate everything that they do for us here in the Ham Radio YouTube space. But I do want to let you know that another way to combat these higher prices is to use my coupon code. I have a coupon code with Gigaparts. That's HamShackTV. And when you buy ICOM, Yaesu, or Kenwood, you get 4 times rewards points. But other than that, everything else in the store, you get double rewards points. So check out gigaparts.com, use coupon code HamShackTV, or shop in person at their store on University Avenue in Huntsville, Alabama. I think you're going to like what you see at Gigaparts. So here's the deal. In closing, I'll be keeping track of this. And as soon as we have confirmed pricing details and rebate opportunities or policy changes, I will share them right here on HamShackTV. Be sure to drop a comment. Are you buying now, or are you waiting it out? Let me know in the comments. Let's keep this discussion factual and respectful. This affects the entire hobby. Guys, thank you so much for being a subscriber. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.